welcome to House Assets. This is a repurposed dog pen, been used as a chicken pen and is now overgrown, and we're going to have to dig it out and put it somewhere else, which is way over there. And we have 4 Silkie Chicken chicks, which are 6 weeks old, and you're going to love them because they make these funny little chirpy noises. It's going to be fantastic. Anyway, continue watching. We're going to take this apart, move it over there. It's just bolts and then a bit of wire mesh that we've got to take off around the bottom because it's all gone rusty. And then we're going to mow that bit flat so we've got more lawn, which will be excellent. It's a lot easier to take care of. That's unbolted and down, just need to get it out of the ground now. I'll give it a yank. Right, that's the sides down. Just got to get the mesh out of the ground now and make sure we don't mow over it and mess the mower up. Okay, last bit of cleanup to go. Just the remaining wire mesh that's embedded in the ground and the foliage, and we're going to try and tow it out with the tractor. It's going to take a few yanks probably. But we're wrapped around the wire mesh and we've curled the wire mesh so it's like a rope in itself, so it's got a lot more strength. And we're just going to drive off and see if it will come out. Hopefully it'll be alright. Someone has got to go and rescue Hunley before I wrap him up in some wire. That would be fun. Welcome back to House Assets, day 2, chicken pen. Here we go. chicken house flattened. We're going to retrieve as much of the material as we can because it's gone a bit rotten in places, so we're going to try and reuse as much as we can with the new one. And that'll also go way over there. Right, in this mass of dead stuff, thank God. It's now winter over here, so everything has died off luckily. Just totally disappeared in the summer, it was crazy. Anyway, we've just got to whack everything down in here, and we've got a load of sleepers in here, railway sleepers, railroad ties I think over it. And we're just going to drag them out. We're going to use these for the base for the chicken pen to get it off the ground so it doesn't rot anymore, and fill half and half with dirt to level it into the hillside basically. We can use these to level it. So, as long as I don't hit Hunley, this should be okay. I'm not entirely sure what the appropriate name for this is, but I've been told it's an idiot stick, that's all I'm saying. So as far as we know, it's an idiot stick. I guess that makes me an idiot, but there you go. These are shed sleepers, or railroad ties, whatever you want to call them. Entirely up to you, depending on where you're from, I guess. I can't remember how many there are. I think there are about 7 in there. This is a cant hook with a standoff. lunch and I shall be back. Heavy and really wet, so we're going to let them dry out overnight. See how they come out. They're also completely covered in mud, so they're going to need a jet wash off, so we'll be doing that on the way over to where they're going to end up. And tomorrow you'll see our little trailer that we built in action. So long till then.